Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video let's learn about how to give access on Google Drive. So let's get started. At first let's get into Google Drive app. So here it is. Now choose the file you would like to give access in. Click on the three dots on the right. And here's the option called Manage Access. So let's tap on this. Now we can see the access is restricted. Simply click on Change and let's tap on this. And if you want anyone with the link to get the access, let's tap on this one and it's updated. So it's done. You can simply get back, and if you want any specific person to give access, click on this icon on the top and enter the email address of the person you would like to share it to and click on send. After which the access will be given. So that is all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.